they take the risk.
And I put up my arm just because I was warned.
No, then take the risk and hope that your explanation meets the standard that they're
playing professional third division in America as well. FC Cincinnati's second team.
Set. No, they're sent away. Omar McLeod gets a bullet start. Hansel Parchment left behind, no problems for McLeod. Hansel Parchment steps forward. Orlando Bennett is there. Rashid Broadbell on the outside is right there. Broadbell stepping forward. Parchment gets it at 13-1-2. Broadbell gets second place, and it looks as if just maybe Orlando Bennett stuck in there for third. Hansel Parchment delivers. Broadbell is excited, and Orlando Bennett could be on the plate to Oregon.
Well, the Omar McLeod fans are going to be in a tizzy because Omar McLeod did not get into the top three. Our new national champion is the Olympic champion, Hansel Parchment. Fantastic performance under the conditions, positive 1.0. Hansel Parchment wins it. Up steps the upstart, Rashid Broadbell, 13-20, makes his first Jamaican team, and Roberts rewarded with third place is Orlando Bennett, just off his personal best. There we go. Best start from Omar McLeod. Hard to start from Hansel Parchment, but then McLeod starts to reverse. And what a competitive field. Hansel Parchment gets to the lead. The one thing you won't do when Hansel Parchment gets to the lead in a 110-meter hurdle race is passing. Broadbell runs well, Bennett runs well. Oh, Thomas, what a fantastic start by Omar McLeod. Shane and Mo, you're the you've been there, you've got that, but that second hurdle would pay through his efforts. Third, up and down. Parchment on the line. This is a man made to hurdle. That is why he's an Olympic champion and now the Jamaican national champion. Multiple times. Broadwell second, Bennett third. Somehow, Rashid Broadbell seems more excited than anyone else in the second.
Look at the second hurdle, as Bruce said. Omar McLeod, something went on. He came down a little awkward.
Yeah, the hip six. Right. When you're running the hurdle, your upper body has to stay in a passive position. Omar McLeod, not the tallest of hurdles. If you look at Hansel Parchment, he doesn't move his upper body at all. He's running through, the only part comes up are his legs, and he manages to execute the race to perfection. Omar McLeod having to jump over the hurdles in the latter stages. Hansel Parchment, new national champion.
I'm going to ask my guys.